Oh my God. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. I think, I don't have it now, but I think when I come back on, this is me announcing, saying thank you and announcing a giveaway. But when I come back on to do the giveaway and announce the winners and all that, I think I want to have the 1K balloons and all that. I want to do it big, but I don't have that right now. And I couldn't wait. I wanted to wait and just do it all together. But I said, no, I have to get on there now. We just, about 5 minutes ago, we just reached 1,000 subscribers. I knew it was going to happen today because we had 998. Then it went to 999. I'm like, come on, 1K. And then I looked. And I looked, and it was 1K, 1,000 subscribers. So thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. But okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I've been wanting this for the long haul. It's nothing but up from here. Let's get to our next 1,000 and on and on and on and on and on. Yes. So keep on liking, comment, sharing, share it on all your social medias. I just shared everything on my social media platforms that we reached 1K and all that. So I'm just so overwhelmed. I'm so excited. So what does this mean for me? I'm eligible. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 watch time hours, you're eligible to start getting paid again for, because I used to get paid for doing videos and stuff before they had all those rules. Then they made the rules where as though you had to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours. But it's like soon as I started getting paid, that's when they made those rules. I'm like, damn, soon as I start getting my checks, now y'all want to change the rules around. And then they stopped the monetization. So none of my videos are monetized now. They used to be all monetized. Now they're not monetized because I didn't have 1,000 subscribers. Now that I have 1,000 subscribers, I'm eligible to start getting paid. But I have to reach 4,000 watch time hours. I don't have that yet. So I heard that I should start going live to get more watch time hours. So I might start doing live videos and stuff. Let me know if y'all would like to see live videos. Whatever it takes, because as much as I love doing this, and I started out not getting paid, like for a long time I wasn't getting paid because I love to do these videos. This is what I love to do. When you're passionate about something, it feels like you're not working anyway because it's not a job if you're passionate about it. But I wasn't getting paid for a long time, and I'm not getting paid now. And y'all see, I still kick out content back to back, because I love doing it. But yeah, I would love to get paid for it. I would love if this can actually be my full-time job. I love being a YouTuber. I love it. But anywho, yeah, so we reached 1K. As y'all know, we're going to have a 1K giveaway. So this is the introduction, the announcement to the 1K giveaway. So, rules goes as follows. Well, I don't know how many winners it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be one winner, two winner, or what. I don't know how I'm going to do it. All y'all need to know is you have to be subscribed, of course. You have to be subscribed. Come on now. Y'all know y'all got to be subscribed in order to enter the giveaway. If you're not subscribed, you're disqualified. So you have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to like this video. Share this video on your social media platforms if you have it. And leave me a comment letting me know when did you subscribe to my channel and what made you subscribe to my channel. Let me know like the time frame. If you know how many subscribers I had then, let me know so I can know how long ago you subscribed to my channel, or just let me know by years how long you've been subscribed to my channel and what made you subscribe to my channel. What else? Yeah, I go see it again. I don't even know how many times I said it in this video. But what else? That's basically it. Those are the rules. This giveaway will run from today. I'm going to post this video right now, which is Monday, Monday, June 8th, and it will end Monday, June 15th. So on June 15th, I will come and announce the winners. And how I'm going to do it is, I don't know if I'm going to do a live video, because last time I did a live video, and I think that was 600 subscribers, nobody really came on. So the people that did comment and stuff, I put their names, I cut up the names, folded it up, and put it in a bag and shook it, and that's how I got my winners. And I'm going to do that again. I'm not going to pick it, hand pick it. I'm going to just pick whoever comment and want to be in the giveaway. And another thing, well, you don't have to say put me in the giveaway, because once you comment, I'll know that you want to be in the giveaway. So I'm going to say the rules again. I'm going to put the rules in the description also. So open that description bar. I'm going to put it in here. But I don't know if I'm going to come on live. I have to think. I'm just so overwhelmed. I don't know if I'm going to be live doing it or if I'm just going to do a video and announce the winners like that. But yeah, so it's going to end Monday, June 15th. And y'all know once the winners, they'll give me their information by email and all that. And then we can go from there. But once again, you have to be subscribed. You have to like this video. You have to share this video on your social media platforms if you have it. Because I know a lot of people don't have social media. So share it if you have it. And leave me a comment. Let me know when did you subscribe to my channel or what made you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so whether it's years, time frame, months, time frame, or you can let me know how many subscribers I had at that time. And I'll basically know when you subscribe. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'll put all that in the description. I know that was kind of like a tongue full, but it really wasn't. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. Y'all know I love you guys. I feel like y'all family. Y'all are family. I feel like y'all friends. Y'all my extended friends and my extended family. We will do a meet and greet. We will do a meet and greet sometime. So I don't know when, but we'll do one. Let me know if y'all want to meet and greet. But yeah, I can't wait. So this video, I'm gonna post this video ASAP. I probably won't even have to do any editing or anything. I'm going to post it now. And I already had a video come out today, but I'm going to post this video today, right now, Monday, June 8th. And the giveaway will end Monday, June 15th. So y'all got a whole week for everyone to get in the comments and enter the giveaway. That's how you're entered, by being in the comments. Saying what I said. Basically, y'all can't just comment something. Just comment. Okay, this is what y'all gonna do, because a lot of people probably gonna comment and say congratulations. They probably don't even want to be entered in the giveaway. So comment, just leave me a comment saying leave me a comment saying I want to be in the 1K giveaway. I want to be in a 1K giveaway. And under that in that same comment, put all the stuff I just asked, basically. How long you've been subscribed to my channel and what made you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, whether it's years, months, or y'all remember how many subscribers I had at that time and like this video. But I'm so excited. I can't thank y'all enough. I can't thank y'all enough. I just can't wait to the next milestones. But every subscriber is a milestone to me because I'm just grateful. I remember when I had 1 subscriber. I remember when I didn't have any subscribers. But yeah, thank y'all so much. So if y'all like this video, please like it. And like it definitely if you want to be entered in this giveaway. Oh my goodness. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see that we hit 1K. We hit 1K. And I don't even have my pillows up. I'm slacking, y'all. Almost fell. I don't have my pillows up, but here go the pillows. I remember when I first got these pillows, a subscriber came on here. She said, the pillows just got me. She said, I subscribed just because I saw the pillows. I'm like, I know that's right. But I didn't even have a chance to put my pillows up. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.